Hello everybody, good morning. Today we are collected here to learn about algebraic expression.
Finding the value of an expression. For solving an equation, we have to find the value of an expression. The value of the expression depends on the value of the variable from which the expression is formed.
Students, here is we will find the value of an algebraic expression. In algebraic expression, we find a value of literal number. Okay. So if a is 5, then a square means 5 into 5. A square is 5 into 5. So there will be 25. Okay.
Let us take an example to understand the previous concept. Find the value of the following expressions when n is equal to minus 2. The first expression is 3n plus 2. On putting n is equal to minus 2, we get 3 multiplied by minus 2 plus 2, which is equal to minus 6 plus 2. Therefore, the value of 3n plus 2 is minus 4 when n is equal to minus 2.
Dear students, in first question, 3n plus 2. n is the minus 2. So minus 2 will be multiplied by 3, then we will get minus 6. Minus 6 plus 2 will be minus 4. So answer will be minus 4. Okay?
The second expression is n squared minus 2n plus 4. On putting n is equal to minus 2, we get minus 2 whole square minus 2 multiplied by minus 2 plus 4, which is 4 plus 4 plus 4. Therefore, the value of the expression n squared minus 2n plus 4 is 12 when n is equal to minus 2. Similarly, on putting n is equal to minus 2 in the third expression, we get its value is equal to 10.
In this expression, n square minus 2 square minus 2n minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4 plus 4. Now minus 2 square will be plus 4 because minus minus plus, or we can say power is even, then minus will be dissolved. So 2 to the 4, and here is minus minus plus 2 to the 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 plus 4, it will be 12. Okay, so answer is 12. Now n is equal to minus 2, n cube minus 2 cube, 2n square, 2 minus 2 square, 3n minus 3 minus 2, 1, 1. It is the wrong substitution because here is 1, here is 4. So you will solve it with 1. Okay, you will solve it with 1. Here it will be 1. Okay, now minus 2 cube is equal to minus 8. Minus 2 power 4 square is equal to 4 to the 8. Here will be plus 6 and 1. 8 cancel by with 8 and 6 plus 1. Answer will be 7. Okay. Now some questions. Evaluate each algebraic expression when x will be 13. 13 plus 8. Answer will be
the first expression is x plus 8.
21.
Its value when x is equal to 13 is 21.
Now next, x is 13. 13 plus 49.
The second expression is x
62.
plus 49. Its value when x is equal to 13 is 62.
Now x plus x means 13 plus 13. 13 plus 13. Yes.
The third expression is x
26.
plus x. Its value when x is equal to 13 is 26.
Now x is equal to 13. 13 minus 13. Absolute 0.
The fourth expression is x minus x. Its value when x is equal to 13 is 0.
Now 13 minus 7.
The fifth expression is x minus 7. Its value when x is equal to 13 is 6.
Now 42 minus x. 42 minus 13.
The sixth expression is 42 minus x. Its value when x is equal to 13 is 29.
Okay?
Let us now try to fill this table. Here, in the first column, different values of x are given, and in the second column, an expression 3x plus 5 is given. We have to evaluate the given expression at different values of x.
3x plus 5. If x is equal to 5, then 5 3s are 15 plus 5, that will be 20.
For x is equal to 5, the value of the expression is 20.
Okay? Now, if x is 10, 10 3s are 30 plus 5, answer will be 35.
For x is equal to 10, the value of the expression is 35. For x is equal to 21.
If x is equal to 21, then it will be 63 plus 5.
The value of the expression is 68.
And when x is 32, then 32 multiplied by 3, then add 5.
For x is equal to 32, the value of the expression is 101. We will now learn to use algebraic expressions in formulas and rules. Let us first use them in formulas. For this, consider a scenario. A taxi driver charges rupees 100 as fixed charge and rupees 10 for every kilometers of journey from his passengers. The fare F of the taxi can be written as F is equal to 100 plus 10 multiplied by n, where n is the number of kilometers.
Fare, total fare is the fixed charge plus 10 into n. 10 rupees for every kilometer. 100 plus 10 into n kilometers. Okay, so formula is F is equal to 100 plus 10n. 10 multiplied with n kilometers and 100 is the fixed charge.
A formula is an algebraic statement that describes the relation between different variables. Here, the formula for fare describes the relation between the variables f and n. Can you name some formulae you already know? Recall the formula for simple interest. Do you know the formula to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit? A formula uses mathematical language to express the relationship between two or more variables.
These are the formula which are learned in previous classes. Interest is equal to PRT upon 100 and C upon 5 is equal to F minus 32 upon 9.
Rules and formulas in mathematics are written in the concise and general form using algebraic expressions.
the formula used in general form are called formula, algebraic expression.
We will now use the algebraic expressions in perimeter formula. Perimeter of an equilateral triangle is equal to 3 multiplied by length of the side of the triangle, or 3L, where L is the length of a side of the equilateral triangle.
So formula to find the perimeter of equilateral triangle whose side is L. So perimeter is equal to 3L.
Similarly, a perimeter of a square is equal to 4 multiplied by the length of the side of the square, or 4L, where L is the length of the side of the square.
In the equilateral triangle there is 3 sides, and here is a square having 4 sides. So perimeter of square is equal to 4L because sides are 4.
Similarly, the perimeter of a regular pentagon is 5 multiplied by the length of the side of the pentagon, or 5L, where L is the length of the side of the pentagon.
Similarly, pentagon having 5 sides, 5 equal sides, so we can write here 5L of the perimeter of regular pentagon. Regular pentagon means having all equal sides. Okay.
We will now use the algebraic expressions in area formulae. If we denote the length of the side of the square is L, then the area of the square is given by L squared.
Area of square is equal to side into side, but here is side L. So L into L, that is L square. L square is the area of this square.
Let us consider the length of the rectangle BL and the breadth of the rectangle is B. Then the area of the rectangle is given by LB.
If you want to find the area of this rectangle whose length is L and breadth is B, so the area of this rectangle is L into B, LB.
We now know that the area of the triangle is half of base multiplied by height, or BH upon 2, where B is the base of the triangle and H is the height of the triangle.
In this triangle, base is B and height of the triangle is H. The formula to find the area of a triangle is half into B into H. So, area of this triangle is BH by 2.
Let us work out a problem. If the length of a square is A plus 2 centimeters, then find its area. We know that the area of a square is equal to side of the square whole square. We are given that the side of the square is A plus 2 centimeters. Thus, the area of square is equal to A plus 2 multiplied by A plus 2 centimeters square, or A plus 2 whole square centimeters square.
Area of a square is equal to side square. Here is side A plus 2. So, area is equal to A plus 2 whole square.
Let us now try to solve this problem. If the length and breadth of a rectangle are 4 centimeters and 5 centimeters respectively, then its area is given by 18 centimeters square, 9 centimeters square, 20 centimeters square and 10 centimeters square. Click to know the correct answer.
Length is 5 centimeter, breadth is 4 centimeter, area of rectangle is equal to L into B. So 5 4 that 20 centimeter square is the answer of this question.
We are given that length and breadth of the rectangle is 4 and 5 centimeters respectively. Now the the area of rectangle is equal to length multiplied by breadth. Therefore, the area of rectangle is equal to 4 centimeters multiplied by 5 centimeters, which is 20 centimeters square.
You can take a screenshot of this problem. So, today's our target is completed. Thank you everybody. Good day.